As somebody who's an entrepreneur, somebody who is a founder, what excites you about what AI makes possible?
AI is exciting because it helps to keep me motivated. I have an idea or something like that I have some grasp on, and I literally use ChatGPT or something like that to ideate the process. Yeah. It's neat because it's on my level. I understand that, and it has a good way of flushing out challenges.
It works through your mental roadblocks. If you use it with intention and you really have an idea of what you're trying to do, it can really be a great thought generation and ping pong your ideas back and forth.